What's up, guys? If you're not subscribed yet, do us a favor, hit that little button, just go boop. Woo-hoo! That's gonna help us out a lot. Today, we're over at Dude's. Hold on, dude. Settle down.
Phil, what you got, Phil?
All right. Today, we're over at Dude's to work on his 21 Pro XP. This guy here, he called me. He said, hey, I got a big box with stuff that needs to be installed. So, we're gonna see what he got.
What I get? What is it? What is it?
That's what we want to know, dude. What'd you get?
Oh, I don't know.
Come on, dude. How long does it take to get it out of the wrapping?
Don't scratch it, dude.
He got a big piece of aluminum. Well, I guess they're packaged nicely.
Yeah, dude.
He ordered a set of UTV Zilla full aluminum doors for his Pro XP. His stock ones, he had the little block off plates, but they're getting a little beat up. He's got a couple rubs. He's hit some stuff, and then they're kind of hitting other pieces. It was time for them to get replaced, and he went with the UTV Zilla ones. The big thing with these that we've seen is the price point. These are significantly cheaper than a lot of the other brands. You can get them from UTV Zilla powder coated black, or get them in the raw aluminum. Looks like you get a big bag of hardware, some weather seal, some of whatever these are, and then you get some of these, whatever these are. What are those?
Braces.
Oh, braces. It looks like there's some assembly required. All right, first step, we're gonna get the ugly, beat up factory door skins off the frames. That's how this kit works. You just get new skins, not frames. And you don't get new latches. So you retain all that stuff and just swap out the skins. Dude's taking his door skins off. I got some of this water that's black. I'm gonna put it in a little water bottle, and I'm gonna tell him that it came out of my catch can, and then drink it. Let's see what his reaction is. Dude.
What happened? Now you catch him?
Yeah.
Some good shit.
Did that go the way you thought it was going to go? Nope.
Come on, dude.
Jesus Christ.
Dude, you scratched it.
Hey. You were supposed to catch that, dude.
Dude, I'm filming.
Oh. Now I gotta clean all that?
No, you just cover it up with a new one.
No.
Yeah.
I didn't roll like that, dude.
Dude, that looks pretty cool.
Yeah.
Weight reduction.
Mm-hmm.
Dude, now you gotta pull the other side off. I forgot to mention this kit works on the Pro XP, the Pro R, and the Turbo R. At least that's what it says on the instructions. But first step with the new doors, we're gonna put the top brace on and then work our way down to the lower ones, and then we can install them. Stellar job, dude.
Yeah.
Here's the passenger side one, kind of all put together. That's your little accent piece. Here's the driver's side, almost done, kind of what it's going to look like from the inside. We're thinking this is like a little grabber to close your door. All right, next step. We're gonna throw the seal on the door. So that seal is gonna run along the bottom up to the top here on both doors. He had it sitting in the sun to make it a little easier to work with. Sometimes when this stuff is cold, it can be a royal pain in the ass. Dude, you're doing great. Dude, I don't know what I'm doing.
Me neither.
Dude, I'm highly untrained and highly unprofessional.
75 years later.
Dude, I'm trying to hold a camera. You know?
I'm trying to install a door.
Yeah. And I'm trying to capture the magic here.
Perfect.
Dude, look at that.
Got nervous.
Yeah, you did.
Mine are so low.
Dude, push that.
Push what?
Sucks. It bit doesn't fit. Like stripping it. Now it's gonna rust. Now it's gonna rust.
Dude, what is this thing? It's got a huge chamfer on it. How's it gonna grab?
Out of this stupid kit, dude.
We'll get a different kit. Dude, where'd you go? Where's the rest of you? Oh, there's your bald head. So we did find a problem that we can't resolve with these doors. It's actually the weather stripping. As you can see, it's a straight style. When it's on here, it's actually not doing anything. We need the 90-degree type where the bulb is on the bottom. Like that. Because you can see there's just a gap. So the way this seal is, it's actually doing nothing at all. So dude called UTV Zilla, but we think they're closed for the day. So if we figure something out, I'll let you know at the end of the video. I'll show you what I'm talking about here on my machine. Needs to be something like this, where it still goes on that little lip, but the seal is facing down. And the stuff they sent with it just isn't like that, so we'll see. So we're gonna get this door aligned, we'll put the other one on, and then we'll see what it looks like as an almost finished product. It'll be done minus the weather seal. So that's it for the UTV Zilla aluminum doors. We still need to find out from them about the weather seal that's supposed to go here. Hopefully they make it right, because it's definitely the wrong seal. Even on their pictures on the internet, they show the correct 90-degree seal that he would need for this to work. Dude called them, and he sent them some pictures. They agreed. Wrong seal. So they sent him the new one, and he put them on, and it's It's a lot better. As you can see, the bulb comes out. There still is a little gap on parts of it. It's not as tight of a seal as the Polaris factory aluminum doors that are on my machine, but it's a lot better. It's at least, the seal is at least facing the right direction. If you adjust these doors, you might be able to get it to touch. Probably not something we're gonna do, but they made it right and it all worked out. These doors definitely sit higher. It does make it a little weird to unlatch them because you got this big piece here and it is a little unnatural. So there's your button and you gotta, it's a little weird. Yeah, dude, these doors look pretty good.
Yeah, dude. I think it'd be better if it was convertible.
I can see that.
4 to 6 more days later.
Dude, this is where it's supposed to be. Still not closing.